Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking a bit rough, but I'm actually about to do my hair and I'm about to show you. So yeah, stay tuned for this video. And then I'm also gonna I'm gonna be doing like this this ponytail look because I like the ponytail of it and I like because I like the waves of the ponytail pretty much. Dang girl, I couldn't even get that out. Yeah, so I'm actually about to take my twist down and brush my hair. Well, you know, get my hair prepped and all that. And then after that, I'm actually gonna give you guys a little clothing haul of what I got from when I had visit my mother and everything. So yeah. Okay, so I'm in my bedroom doing my hair and everything, but so far I had slicked down my hair and put it in a ponytail girl, and it took a long time because my hair is very thick. So, but I slicked it down with the Gorilla Snot because, like I said before, my hair is very thick and it's like, I don't know, most of the products pretty much that I try to put in my hair to have it like slick down, it don't really work. My hair will like do this pretty much. And I don't like that. So as of right now, I'm about to continue making this slicker like how I want it to be. And then I'm gonna blow dry it, and then I'm gonna come back with you guys to install. Ooh, gay. Okay. I'm just like, I'm on 10. Okay, for real. All right, for real this time. All right. Now, this is like my little cotton ball. I mean, my first video I had uploaded on YouTube was a video of me cutting off my hair. And that was like really like months and months and months and months. I think that was like last December. Yeah, and now my hair is like, it's all back down to my shoulders again, baby. But pretty much, I'm about to make this ponytail a little bit smaller. So when I wrapped her around, it'd be all, you know, how I want it and everything. I can't believe I'm making a video in my room. Like, oh, it's Rapid Tie Brown Sugar. It has human hair style mix. I don't know, but I got this one in the color 2 because that's the color of my hair. And I got this one because of the deep waves. I like the curls of it and the waves of it pretty much. This is what it looks like. It's just like a it got the little combs in there or whatever, and then it got the adjustable strap. Yeah, I'm about to like go ahead and try it on. Girl. The ponytail, to adjust to your ponytail, you get this right here. And you pull it down. Put this black piece down, and then you like separate it like that. So that way it'd be like big pretty much. But these combs right here, I never use the combs because when you use the combs and like when you use the combs and you put the combs like underneath the ponytail and then you pull it together like tight, sometimes it pulls on like this part. So I just put it on like that in the front. I don't care about the clips, girl, because I'm not finna So
baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I won't share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style.
But basically, yeah, those are my clothes that I gotta review. We're not gonna talk about that. So this is like my ponytail review. It's not that long, as you can see. It's about like right here, like in the middle of my bag. It's not that long. But I really like this ponytail. It gives me like a nice, cute, sleek look or whatever. And now I'm actually about to, yeah, I'm gonna put some lashes on and put my other earring in. So yeah.